sit there as they grow. He will watch them grow, and he would just sit there and enjoy them as they get bigger and bigger. And then they're gonna think that that's their dad. Animals how you want it, and doing it organic where you can afford it. You can just buy some simple greens and mixtures, and then you can grow them in a jar without no soil, or you can try different things. Right here, there's this pad underneath that absorbs water, and I put just barely a little bit of cocoa coir in that bottom, just so it absorbs the moisture. And then I've actually planted some over here. I just had some extra pods laying around, so I figured, hey, might as well. And I got this right here drying out, and I'm gonna put it back in the jar. So here's 3 different ways you can do it. This goes in a jar. Every day you want to add water and rinse it out, and then dump it out. And I usually put it on something flat, that way it'll spread out and grow more. These things in 5 days will be super plants, and they'll be 10 times bigger than they started. And if you let them keep growing, the more better vitamins will mature, and the better the chickens will absorb the nutrients. Remember, Haven's Homestead, we doing it right, organically and raised with love. Peace! And you can see the birds, they are growing. Of course, Juju's the same size as last time. See if we can get a little closer to him. Hey guys. Come here, guys. Oh, okay, y'all wanna act so scary. See how it is. Camera's out now, you wanna act scary. Okay. Hey, buddy. Here, the buddy. These guys act scary. Come on, did you guys move your head? You love you. Oh, there's my buddy. Now my buddy's up. My buddy's like, hey, what's up, homies? What's up, player? Come here. Okay, play possum. Let's play possum. Then we got our eggy baggies, making them eggy waggies. Yay, yay. We putting in work, man. Haven's Homestead, putting in their work. Show y'all some of the fodder. That's 1 jar of fodder. That's just a little piece of a jar. That's just a little bit of cocoa in there to help it get going. You know what I'm saying? And that's a bed of fodder. That's an extra dirt, but the rest is just sitting on a moisture barrier.